Alright guys, it's finally here. The flat bottom steering wheel. We've been waiting for this for ages now. And this is what it looks like. Full carbon fibre with the blue stitching on it. It's even got the M Sport logo. And you can see before and after the comparison. So yeah, let's put it on the car now. Take the airbag out. We want to push this in here. I've never done this before, so I don't know myself. I'm just playing around with it. Disconnect the battery first. And then I think you poke it in and then like a little clip somewhere. And that's the best way I found to take this steering wheel off. I tried putting these in so many times, it didn't work. You spent like an hour on it. So I'm gonna pull this cover back and then you can have a look inside here. You see that way you can see the clip. So now we can put the screwdriver back in here. And then let's see where, there we go, look. Filming here, and then you can see the clip. I can see it right here, and then push it down, and then it should just, the other side's off already. So guys, this is the clip here. So I'm gonna try go in here, and then what you wanna do, you wanna push this clip down. The best way to do it is pull this cover off, and then it just pops out like that. Alright guys, the next thing you're gonna do after you take this airbag out, you just push this up with the flathead, and then this pops out. And the same thing here as well. And then let's loosen it. I forgot to lock the steering wheel, so it's gonna be quite hard for me. Then let it go outside. Now you wanna take it off. You take the bolt off. We're gonna take these off. You push this down and it comes out off. Some of them are tight because it's never been off before. Kind of difficult, but it'll come off. There you go. That's the steering wheel off. Right guys, I'm gonna put a new one in. This one has to line up in here. So what we do, go in. There we go. Now as you can see, it's in. So we put the connection back on. That one goes in like this. Pop that in. This one, I think it goes like this. I think that one. And now we have to put the bolt back on. And just screw this back on. And we'll come back when the airbags on. And now we're going to put the airbags back on. So we've got the black one. Okay, wait, we need to pop the clips back on. Just lift them up. This one goes in like this, or one of the other ways. And then pop that in. Same goes for this one. There we go. And then this one goes in. It must be the other way. Yeah. And then that's it. Just check it. Everything's there, everything's done. It's all in there. And now, we'll just clip it back on.